All right, welcome back, guys. We are now on week 21. We're doing page 17. Let's get going. Numbers 1 through 4. It says Millie mixed vanilla yogurt and bananas to make an afternoon snack. She used 5/6 cup of yogurt. In which of the expressions below is 5/6 written as the sum of unit fractions? Remember, sum tells us that we're adding, right? And a unit fraction means that a 1 is in our numerator with a specific denominator. Okay? So if we're adding unit fractions, well, there's only 2 here that has 1 in every numerator. So I can already get rid of B and C. And now we're trying to find 5/6. So let's add all these together. The denominators are the same. So here we go. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. So this one is equal to 4/6. That's out. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. Boom. D is going to be our answer. That one was easy. Okay, number 2. It says draw and write the following as an improper fraction. 1 and 1/3. So I'm going to do the drawing first and then write it. So I know that my pieces are cut into thirds. And I have one whole piece. Okay. Now I have another. And a fraction is part over total. So I have 3 total pieces and I only have one of those. If I write it as an improper fraction, that means my numerator is going to be more than my denominator. So my denominator is 3. And how many pieces do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 out of 3 pieces. All right. Next one is 2 and 3/5. So I'm cutting my pieces into fifths. One, two, three, four, 5. Good. And I have 2 wholes of that. I always thought these looked like starfish. So I have 2 wholes. And then I have another one where I only have 3 pieces. Okay, so if I was to count this up, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 fifths. Last one is 3 and 2/4. So I have 3 wholes. Right? And they're cut into 4 pieces. And I have all of those pieces to make 3 holes. All of them are going to be shaded in, right? On the last one, I only have 2 out of the 4 pieces shaded. So when I write this as an improper fraction, my denominator will be fourths, and I have 4, 8, 12, 13, 14. 14/4 is my improper fraction. All right, number 3 says decompose in 8/10 in 2 ways. All right, so decompose means break these down in 2 ways. So it doesn't tell me which way I have to do it, so I'm going to give you some options. We could break it down as the sum of unit fractions like it asked us to do in number 1. So I would have 1/10, I would add 1/10 8 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the sum of unit fractions. I could say 1/10 plus 7/10, right? That's an option. We could say 2/10 plus 6/10. That's another option. 3/10 plus 5/10. Or 4/10 plus 4/10. You've got lots of options here. All right. You choose what you like best. Number 4, it says the model is shaded to represent one whole. Model B is shaded to represent a number greater than 1. Which expression cannot, look at that, it's in all caps, cannot be used to represent this number? Well, what is this number? Let's see. If we were to add these together, I have 3 out of 3 pieces shaded here and 3 out of 3 pieces that are shaded here, right? If I put those together, the numerators get added together because the denominators are the same, we would get 6/3. So we're looking for something that is not true. So we should have 3 truths and a not true. And that's the one we're looking for. All right. Well, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6/3. That's equal. We found one that is true. B says 3/3 plus 3/3, which is 6/3. That's true. That's out. 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3, plus another 1/3 is 3/3, plus 3/3 is equal to 6/3, which is true. Okay, last one says 1/3 plus a third, that's 2/3, plus one more is 3/3. That is not true, therefore it cannot be used to represent this number. Fantastic, and that is our numbers 1 through 4 of week 21.